Welcome to part 2 of the Portage episode, The Bird Bros. Here we go. Well, after the first night, time to start the second day.
Are you listening?
Good morning.
Got some rain overnight. Randy's got to dry his cigarettes out.
Oh, we got a big one here. So's a little baby smallmouth bass. Ooh. We'll let him go. Oh, she's in there. Real beaut. Are you just going to get bigger, have babies?
We got all packed up and we're heading out from our campsite. Just gotta make it down this rocky slope. Muskoka, so picturesque.
Duck on a log, duck on a log. This is a female common merganser.
This is a Muskoka regular. See them all the time up here with their babies, swimming around.
Birds don't have teeth, but the mergansers have serrated beaks that help them tear apart the fish that they feed on.
Bridge across the whole river. Well then, I don't know.
This must be one of our last portages.
We're getting there, I think. Look at how camouflaged that plumage is. A ruffed grouse! Just chilling on the trail.
Look at that glimmer in its eye. Looks like an anime character. This weird strutting about, common behavior of a ruffed grouse.
Probably listening to some MJ. Oh look, a groundhog.
He looks tasty too. Probably few more people.
Just chilling.
And this long portage, thank God we found this wheelie cart.
It came in handy.
Brought most of our gear, about a kilometer and a half each way. And there's a ringneck snake.
First time I ever seen one of those. Oh, what's that? That's a magnolia warbler. Trying to hunt insects down. Note the two white wing bars, the yellow chest, and the dragonfly in its mouth.
That's dope.
Well, the last stretch. Made it to the last lake of the trip. Kind of back in cottage country now.
Yeah,
Oh, and hey, a common loon.
still more birds for you guys. Common loon. Common loons are a typical bird from the northern Canada area, and in some other parts of the world they're called the Great Northern Diver.
Yeah. These guys are the official bird of Ontario and can be found on the $1 Canadian coin. The loonie. What a beautiful creature.
Nope, finally made it back to my cottage. All our people made it back fine. Okay, not Randy, but we all lived. Yeah, great trip.
52-kilometer Muskoka Bird Bros Portage. Complete.
Well, thanks for watching the Bird Bros. Stay tuned for more Bird Bros.
Yeah, we're trying to get get 50 likes this video, so smash that like button.
Yeah.
Brought to you by